Hey hitters, so I don't know if you guys have heard, but ChatGPT is evolving. And for healthcare marketers, you cannot afford to ignore what GPT-5 is about to bring to the table. Let's get into it. This isn't just another AI update, like we hear about them all the time, right? But this is not. This is actually a shift. So if you're still using ChatGPT to write captions and quick blogs, and especially if you've been listening to me, I told you to use it for ideation. So this is about to change all that. Like it's going to work for your across your whole marketing team. Let's start with tone training. ChatGPT 5 is expected to sound more like you, if that's your kind of thing. I do like this particular feature, and I can't wait for you guys to experience it. Whether you're writing for patient education, pitching to providers, or creating thought leadership, your brand voice will finally stick. And I'm sure a lot of people will enjoy that change. Next, multimodal isn't the buzzword here, but here's what that really means. You describe a campaign and GPT-5 will give you copy, visual, even layouts. Imagine asking it to build your LinkedIn carousel and your YouTube script. Done. And it's not going to be so robotic. Like, you know how we see some of the things that are captured for ChatGPT? You can tell by the copy some of the things that are in there, and it's a dead giveaway. Well, this is different. So I think this is going to go further towards us leaning more into using AI for our marketing campaigns than staying away from it because we're afraid of sounding too robotic or not authentic in our brand's voice. So that's a great thing. If you've ever had to remind ChatGPT of your brand's values every single time, you know how we can set up those instructions and it's supposed to stick every single time when you write something or you going to use the platform? Well, it hasn't been happening so well. So relief is coming. With memory, GPT-5 will remember your campaigns, your personas, and voice. It becomes your strategic assistant. And by the way, don't forget to ask it to be your assistant when you're writing your prompts and your captions and stuff, because it needs to function as your assistant, not as a task monkey, if you know what I mean. So then let's talk about live spreadsheets. GPT-5 will help you turn data into stories. We love a good story in healthcare, right? Email sequences, blog series, all of them. No more staring at CSVs wondering what the narrative is. The AI will help you find it and write it. Next, this is your heads up. Your competitors are already preparing. I've already been able to test this model out. I love it. If your brand voice guide, campaign structure, and content briefs aren't AI ready, now's the time to start adapting some of these AI voices and prompts for your brand, because it's going to lighten your workload and make you a more efficient marketer.